Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're doing up a model scenery kit. This time we're working on the Metcalfe Workers Cottage Twin Pack. So we've got two sets of two cottages because I haven't actually built these before, and if I remember right, there's actually it's basically like a semi-detached set of cottages. So we've got two houses here and another set of two houses in here. But primarily I'll be building just one of them here. And the product code is PN155. So I'm just going to pop that over there. So what do we get in this kit? Well, we get the instructions, which is always good to have. But we also have a checklist here. So we've got two sheet A's, which is... Ooh, make sure I get it all out. That's not sheet A. This is one of them. And I have got a second one just underneath. So I'm just going to pop that one over there. The other one I'll get also out. There we go. So I'll pop them there. Let's see. We have a sheet B for the laser cut window frames, which I'm quite sure is this one. We've got all of that. The folded thicker cut. Well, it says folded, but mine's come apart. We've got sheet C, which is the thick support card, and I have already labelled them up for all the numbers which we need. Glazing sheet, which is this one, ridge tiles, and also the instructions. So that's what we start with. Right, what we need to construct this kit? Well, we need the usual, which is a modeller's knife. A box cutter does work as well. A pair of sharp scissors, which also works. A steel ruler, which I've got up here. Here we go. Glue, which I've got here. We're not going to bother with the ultra fine tip glue applicator because that doesn't bother me. A cutting surface, which I've got my nice new cutting mat. A pair of fine point tweezers, which I've got here, and watercolor paints for doing the edges and corners, which I won't be bothering. Right, and it normally starts off of extracting components and constructing our builder's yard, which I don't normally do because I like to keep all my pieces on the card so I know exactly where they are. Oh, one thing which is also good to have is a recycle bin nearby to put all the waste in as you're building. So I'll just bring that a bit closer. There we go. And yeah, first we do is put all the doors and window glazing onto the correct places. Also add curtains if you want to. Then it starts mentioning about painting all the corners and edges, which again I won't be doing. And then we start with the base base cards for the houses, then the outer walls, fitting that together, adding the second floor as well, and adding a couple of bits here and there. Let's see, adding the upper windows, which seems to be slight. I think that's on its own piece, possibly. Adding the roof and adding the extra bits for the roof. I can't remember what they're called at the moment. Starting on the porch, fitting the roof with that, and then the sheds and the barge boards, and finally the chimneys. Yeah, that's what we get to finish off with. So that's the window tile, the ridge tiles, and window seals. Yes, that's to finish it off. So that is on. We do this bit. So that's all the window seals. So make sure you don't lose them as well. But yeah, that is it. I suspect it's probably going to take me. I have built these before, but it has been a very long while, so I won't count that into building it. Probably not all that long for building. One, probably an hour and a half, which is my usual, and probably a bit less for when I get around to the second one, which won't be recorded because I would have known exactly where all the bits live. So yes, that is the plan. So I'm going to keep all the duplicates over there, including this bit I need, and this bit. I'll probably start putting them all on together anyway, but yeah, that's what I'll be starting with, and that bit I can do off camera. Anyway, that's the plan. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Hopefully, it'll take me about an hour to an hour and a half, max 2 hours, because these don't normally take all that long. I'll just pop you up there till I need you. And yeah, I'm going to get started. Oh, and do you have some clips like these, bulldog clips? They do very much help with putting things together when you need a couple of extra, well, something just to hold things while you're gluing something else. Anyway, I'm going to get started, and I'll see you in a bit. Now here we are with both the finished cottages and stuff like that. The other one is sat over there at the moment because I don't quite have enough space, but yeah, they've turned out rather nice. Very happy with it. This is the second one which I had a bit more time to build, so I was a bit more careful putting it all together. The one thing which I did somewhat get wrong on the first one was, I did correct it, but yeah, the support underneath the side bits here on the roof, I did kind of nearly forget to add. So they have been added, so I had to quickly pull them back off, glue them in, then put it all back together. I have missed the ones on the little windows on the end, as you can just see here. A little bit wrong, but still it looks nice. May need to glue a few things down a bit more because it's not quite sticking as well as I hoped. But yeah, turned out rather nice. And for the amount of buildings you get, considering that this is 4 houses, yeah, it's a nice price. I think it was about 12 to 15 pound. I don't quite remember, but it was definitely not over 20 quid. But I think it was around 15 pound for all of it together. Yeah, very nice. But yeah, I do definitely recommend being a bit more slower than I am. But it took just under an hour and a half for the one, and the other one took less time because I built half of it. Because most of the time, which at the beginning was just gluing all the windows together, which I ended up doing all the windows for that one as well, which is why it took longer. But yeah, in total, probably about 2.5 hours for all of them put together. Yeah, very happy with them. But yeah, I'm going to let them sit on the side for a while and probably fix a few bits on them. Then I'll put them up with all the other kits which I put together and wait till the next giveaway. Anyway, that's going to be it for me, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do like it, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But that's going to be it for me. So take care now. Bye bye.